How to hide your birthday on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide your birthday on Snapchat. But before that, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now, let us begin. So the first step here is open up your Snap. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then you can head over to your profile by tapping on the Bitmoji on the top left corner. After you tap on it, tap on the settings on the top right corner. It's the gear icon. After you do that, you'll see your birthday. Tap on your birthday. And after you do that, you'll see the birthday party option. So if this is turned on, it'll add a birthday cake next to your name whenever it's your birthday. So that will actually notify everyone. So what you can do is you can actually turn this off, and you've basically now hidden your birthday. So it's that simple. That's all the settings that you need to do, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.